Adonai, strengthen me.
Adonai, strengthen me. Adonai, strengthen me. Please strengthen me, Adonai. Anybody else want one? Adonai, stay with me.
Adonai, stay with me. Adonai, stay with me. Please stay with me, Adonai. Adonai, give me wholeness. Adonai, give me wholeness. Adonai, give me wholeness. Please give me wholeness, Adonai. Adonai, lift me. Adonai, lift me. Adonai, lift me. Please lift me, Adonai. Adonai, heal me.
Adonai, sing everybody. Heal me,
Adonai, heal me. Please heal me, Adonai. Adonai, nourish me. Adonai, nourish me. Adonai, nourish me. Please nourish me, Adonai. Adonai,
Walk with me.
Adonai, walk with me. Adonai, walk with me. Please walk with me, Adonai. Adonai, inspire me. Adonai, inspire me. Adonai,
inspire me. Please inspire me, Adonai. Adonai, Adonai,
please hear our voices. Adonai,
hear our voices. Please hear our voices, Adonai. One more. Adonai, Adonai,
teach me.
Adonai, teach me. Please teach me, Adonai. Is anyone with like a burning desire that they have to have one? One back there. Free me. Adonai.
Come on, let's sing it with Ruach. Free me, Adonai. Free me, Adonai. Free me. Please free me, Adonai. Let's do one. Let's all put our arms around each other. Can we do that? Can we have a new cage? Let's do one for us. Rabbi, what should we do? Sherry, what should be the one thing? What do we vote? What's our one big prayer for right now? This new cage 6. As a group.
Cage us.
You cage us? You cage us? You feed us? That's it? You feed? Adonai.